Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Webtoon application. Clearing cache in Webtoon helps free up storage space, fix app glitches, and improve performance without deleting your account or saved comics. First of all, launch open the Webtoon application on your device like you normally do and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the My button at the bottom right corner. From My Series tab, go to the top right section and tap on the three dots to open up the More menu. Now click on Settings from the More option. On the next page, scroll down and look for Clear Cache and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the cache data in Webtoon application. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.